want your legacy to be remembered.
I've served 25.
You deserve a statue.
I've served 25 years. Service all over Africa, all over the world. You know, never to your governments are crediting talents and with medals. Never recognizing the talents in it's informal.
But
recognizing. We've been singing 25 years.
25 years. Actually, the biggest generation in Uganda, 90%, you're emulating your legacy.
Yeah.
This is enough.
So what I really request is the people responsible, the ministries responsible, should use outstanding people like me as examples. Never about drive, you know.
Nakulabyo endorsing Saha for president.
Yeah.
Do you see him carry on your legacy?
If I didn't believe in King Saha, but I saw a talented young man. I saw a very wise young man. Yeah, my leadership. He's a good leader. I've been with him. I know his qualities. Yes.
Nakulabyo Mutwaliro with your brother. Today you're celebrating your birthday.
Yeah.
I saw your brother in agony, in pain. Nenzi Jukire Mbera Jowarimo about some years ago. What was going in your mind when you saw your brother? No,
of course, when I went to the hospital, I just made sure to joking about it. I can imagine the pain he's going through. At such a time, the career he demanded. Then I know joking and so I make him feel comfortable. Just to make him feel at home. Yeah, Musabira.
So much that you with this kind of performing in that nature.
One, I know we're very careful. One, I know we're careful. It's called Charlie Chat, second Bagatiri, I know you know, I know a challenge in any I know Paras is a strong man. I just be so brave.
Chichi, what has life taught you? What is that lesson you would wish to carry on in your generation?
I remember once that you were young Ambambo. You're the Femianga Jimunya Mikambo in you. Engineer Kura, on your whiskey, but whiskey, Toja Musoro Movie. Maybe I done him for whiskey, I said. So, my biggest lesson is live healthily. Living a healthily. And if they move by age, you're looking at withdrawing. Now, I said, I'm going to Miakanka, and nobody cover Bubuka. So, that's just when you his life is so precious.
What has guided your success or the accomplish? You've stood the test of time. You're just like wine. Never you taste so sweet and better with your music. Listen to that music. What has been your drive all your life?
Self-belief. Nekirizamu nti wemba nakola ekintu mbanja okikola. Self-belief. Ngojika ekitone Katonda agaye ebitone n'abiwa abantu naye nga tebali confident. Nze nina self-belief. Bwe nazuula nti manyi okuyimba, Katonda yampa kitone kya kuyimba, ndi confident about it. Ate music muwa obudde. Nkuli my brother namu abandaba. A lot of people tebamanyi nze omu kuba artist abasemba okuva mu studio. Mayina okuva mu saa 2-3
Kwasamba okuva mu studio.
Mayina okuva mu saa 2-3-5 nga nasuzeemu naye mbanoonya ki? Banoonya kituufu. Naye abantu bapanikinga tebalina confidence.